Hi guys, my name's Casey and I'm so excited to talk to you today about how Amazon Associates has helped me grow my business. I joined Amazon Associates at the beginning of November in 2020. In my time with Amazon Associates, I don't really have a specific niche or category in which I share products and talk about recommendations for. I got my following over on TikTok, and Amazon has kind of helped me focus that into another business venture. What I really like about not having a niche or specific category is there's a lot more wiggle room. They do say it's important to have a specific thing that you talk about, but for me, it's been quite the blessing being able to talk about a wide range of different things. So I just want to let you know you don't have to focus on just one thing. Don't limit yourself. When I became an Amazon associate, I had no idea what I was doing. All I knew is that it was an opportunity I really wanted to take on and make my own. Since I already had quite a bit of a following, it just seemed like a really good next move for me because I heavily already did talk about Amazon. Through getting to know the Associates platform, which is really easy to navigate on your own, my favorite tool to use is the promo code section. I use that pretty much on a daily basis, and what that allows me to do is find promo codes that I can share with my audience, which give them exclusive deals that they wouldn't be able to find otherwise. You can sort it by category, which is something that I really love. If I want to share a clothing deal, I can filter it down to clothing, beauty, home improvement, pet goods, really anything you can think of. The best words of advice that I can give you is throw yourself into it. Really take the time to learn how the platform works, and remember that it's going to propel your business to new levels if you do take the time to really figure it out and use it to grow your business. Be yourself. People really like that. When you're talking about things, make sure you understand what the products are that you're promoting. Give good details on them, understand the discounts, always be available to help the people that you are sharing these codes and links with, and make sure you link everything correctly through Amazon. You'll learn all these things as you go. Don't stress too much, guys. It's a really fun experience, and I hope you enjoy it just as much as I do.